is called Hollow Square, and it's 12-inch finished. It's made completely from half square triangles, 3-inch finished half square triangles. And here is the layout of the block. Here is your half square triangle alternative, is to make 8 at a time, and there are 16 in this block. Over here is the cutting instructions. You're going to make 16 triangles in the background and 16 triangles of the dark. Here is a sample layout of what a quilt would look like. Here are my stacks. These are assorted fabrics for the dark side and then a tone-on-tone fabric for the light side. I'll just sew these half square triangles together and then lay them out in this design. I don't know what the quilting world would do without the half square triangle. You can make so many designs by just using the half square triangle. If you're interested in learning more about what you can do with the half square triangle and at the same time learning about low volume prints, we have a half square triangle sew along that started in early 2023, but all the videos are still there. All the downloads and the information to link to the downloads is still there. And we have a Facebook group that is still active. If there is a link to the Facebook group called the Quilt Makers Workshop. And we do more than just the half square triangle sew along. We do more quilts and more sew along. So if you can join us, or if you just want to learn about the sew along, there are probably 6 videos on it. And it's a really fun quilt to do, and it shows it has 20 blocks made of nothing but half square triangles, and then also 3 or 4 different versions for making borders. So the link is right up here on the upper right hand corner of your screen now. You can click on that and it will take you to the first one. Now I'm going to sew this together and then the block will be done. Thank you for watching.